Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. Always happy to be with you. Today we're going to look at a little bit of division and I'm going to get straight into the question. Now, we've got 6,517 divided by 31, so we're going to represent this the way our teachers want us to. 6,517, let me put that 1 in there, and we've got 31 on the outside. Okay, so we know 31 is divided into 6,517. Now, remember our long division methodology is going to be dad, mom, sister, brother. Okay, so we've got divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down at the end. Okay, so let's see. So let's divide first. 31 goes into 6. We know it can't. So 0 times 31 is 0. Okay, now we need to subtract the 2. 6 minus 0 gives us 6. And we bring down our 5, exactly. Now, 31 goes into 65 how many times? Okay, we know it goes in there twice. So 2 times 31 is what? It's going to be 62. We're going to subtract that from 65, which is going to give us 3. And we're going to bring down that 1. 31 goes into 31 how many times? Once. 1 times 31 is 31. We're going to subtract the 2, and we're left with 0, and we're going to bring down our 7. We know 31 can't go into 7, so that means we've got a remainder of 7. And that's the answer. And you're probably going to get a good 2 to 3 marks for something like this, guys. So nice and simple, remember your rules. Before I go, I just want to make a quick shout out to Bonny's Waterworld, an epic swim school in the south and east of Johannesburg in South Africa. If you're keen to swim, if you're keen to learn to swim, if you're keen to become a master at swimming, reach out to them. Their details are in the description below. Remember to look out for some more videos. And if there isn't a video that answers your question, send it to us and we'll send you a personalized video back, giving you a shout out even. Until next time, guys, stay epic.